What's going on, guys? Drop It Like It's Scott, and today is the non-tactical version of Drop It Like It's Scott. A couple videos ago you saw me show you how to open up the back side of your F-150 so you can put stuff in the extra storage compartment back in here. Today I'm going to show you how to change out this, which is the mechanism that releases that from here, and I'm going to show you how to install this right here. This is an attachment that you can use to change this, which will put a strap that will go right over here, where you can just pull the strap. The strap will go right over here. You just pull the strap to release this mechanism, so you don't have to fiddle with reaching down there with one of those, or with your, a wrench? Tools you will need, one of these star Allen wrenches to go right in there. Let's do it. First off, get your knife, open the box, pull out the device. Super easy to install right in here. This is going to wrap on that, which is going to allow you just to pull it off. When you take your screws out, put them somewhere where they won't get lost. I'm going to go ahead and put mine in this little Ziploc bag so I know where they are. There's two of them, 2 Allen wrench screws to take off. This device is from Sparta. I'll leave a link in the description below where you can go pick up yours. 16 bucks. That's what I paid for this. It's going to be well worth it. So this is going to slide just like that. Slides right over top of it, but you want to make sure you put this on first, otherwise you are not going to be able to slide it on. Set this on here. Slide this piece right in. Just like that. Now you're ready to install this right back on. Grab your screws. Slide your screws right back in. Your Allen wrench, your star Allen wrench, to screw them right back in. It's just that simple. 2 screws, pull them out, put this on top of the other plate, screw it back in, and now you have your pull tab release that just sits right behind your seat. So now that tool and this tool is no longer needed because you have this. Let's show you. You can just come over here, grab your pull tab, lift it up, pull it down. Isn't that easy? Pull it up, lower it down. That is the 7 Spartan rear seat release. Check it out, leave a link in the description below for you to pick up one for your F-150. Thanks for watching. This is Drop It Like It's Scott. And go ahead and hit that subscribe, like, share. If you like this video, if you like any of the other videos on here, go for it. Hit the subscribe. I appreciate it. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.